Hello guys, today I'm gonna turn this empty ice cream box into a cute little plant box. I'm gonna paint the first layer using the sponge so that there won't be any visible brush strokes. So we'll be getting an even look using the sponge. So it'll be like this, and I'm gonna coat the second layer as well as it is little thinner and paint the leftover spaces with a brush. So here I'm going to paint a very simple little flowers in 3 different rows. So in the first row I just drew very simple small flowers. Here I'm just using a thin brush using a white paint because white looks really good on this green. So I'm just drawing 8 petal flower. You can draw any flower of your choice, just keep it simple so that it will be easier to paint. Coming to the third row, I'm just drawing a half flower. I'm just painting 4 petals here, and then just putting a small yellow dot in middle of the flower. So after this, I'm just gonna paint little gold on the top empty part of the box. So I just thought of adding a little bit of interesting part here. So I just got some rope and braided it and just sticking it on the top just to give it little rusty look. And please do subscribe to this channel guys. You will be seeing more such DIY content and art tutorials, easy drawings and all such things. It will be great if you can give your suggestions in the comment box as well. Thank you.